All right, guys, I'm here in Florida. Got a surfboard. Let's see if we can catch some waves.